What's your name? Matt.
You're good.
I'm here with Matt, and you're MakerNova?
I'm not MakerNova. He's MakerNova. I'm here with MakerNova.
You're here with MakerNova, and what is MakerNova?
Okay, so we are a provider for Meshtastic devices. We have a 3D print farm. We print our own cases. We have we've had our designer go through and optimize the sizing, the shape, to make it like almost the perfect fit, form, and finish.
Okay.
Something similar to like an old Motorola pager.
Okay. Very nice. And so you also have the belt clips for them?
Yep. So we take the belt clip concept, everything clips right in, small form fit. A lot of people, the problem that you run into, I've noticed, is they're so quick to sell you just the device. They want you to have that device, but how are you going to carry the device around, right? So now with my clip, I can just stick it to my badge. I'm good to go.
What devices do you have inside of them?
So I've got Heltec V3s and I've got the Heltec V4s. The V4s all have the GPS modules in them already.
Nice. So you're selling them GPS ready. Because the Heltec does not have GPS built in.
On the V3, no.
Okay.
The V4 has the header. We put the GPS in. We also offer a 1-year warranty on all our devices.
Oh, and the bigger antenna too.
Yep. Also the tuned antenna for 915 megahertz.
Nice. I like it. I like it. And where can we find more information about these?
Okay, so you can go to our website at MakerNova.io, or if you're here at HamCation, you can come and see us at booth 218.
Cool. And what do you usually sell them for?
All right, so I've got V3s at a show special for $70 with the belt clip, and I get the V4s for $95 show special with the belt clip. I've also got T-Decks. We got those $235. We got all kinds of stuff. Just stop by and see us.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Hey, thanks, Frank. Appreciate you stopping by, buddy.
Awesome.